All right, so it's getting ready to start.
Okay.
Buenos días, gracias por estar con nosotros nuevamente. Aquí tenemos a Tyler Tremaine de la empresa QTran. Tyler, como parte de su experiencia, fue chef profesional en la ciudad de Nueva York en un restaurante de categoría Michelin, así que excelente experiencia para el amigo Tyler. So Tyler, I've already said that you are a professional chef. I did not say that you had worked in Hong Kong, but I did say New York City. So anything you want to add to that, please go ahead. You're on.
All right. Thank you very much. It is a wonderful opportunity to be here today, and thank you very much for the time. I look forward to introducing QTran to everybody on this presentation today. For those that I have met with, it's great to be connecting with you again. And for those who I have not met yet, I look forward to meeting you in the near future. I am going to start my slideshow. And okay, I believe you can see the presentation now.
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay, perfect. So this is a quick illustration of our office at QTran. We are a Connecticut-based company. QTran was established in 1993, and we began business as a low-voltage power supply company. In about 10 years ago, we began to get into the linear LED business. QTran was founded on family. My uncle John Tremaine started the company in 93, and his son Gian, my cousin, started with the company about 5 years later in 1998. I started with QTran about 5 years ago. I am the regional sales manager for the Southeast and the international sales manager. The Tremaine family has been in lighting since the light bulb. So since Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, we've been in the lighting industry for over 132 years. QTran, as I mentioned, is headquartered in Milford, Connecticut, but we also have a facility in Los Angeles. So depending on the locations where the projects are located, some of them may come out of either facility, depends on which one we can get out the door more quickly and which shipping location may be closer to you. So what is QTran? Briefly, we are a best-in-class low-voltage power supply manufacturer. We are a custom length and innovative linear LED company. We have a dedicated support team to help all of you with takeoffs or other parts and pieces. We don't expect you to know all of it, and we can work with you to determine the best way for your project to be the most successful. We also do custom projects. We've done many custom projects around the country and the world. So if there's something you do not see on our website and you've talked with the Polaris team and they don't see anything, kindly reach out. I am happy to discuss any custom solutions. I think a lighting designer in the US sort of explains this very well. So Gary Gordon quoted that QTran LEDs are exceptional products with precise optical control, high color rendering, excellent color consistency, compact size, and ease of mounting. The factory team provides superior customer service during every step of the design and installation. So we try to be a partner.
Tyler, you may be able to turn on your camera now. Just check it out.
Okay. Yep. Let's try that. Voila. There we go. Voila. Hello, everybody. As QTran started about 30 years ago as a low voltage power supply company, we currently offer about 300 different options. I don't expect you to know all of them, but I want to point out some of the high level and specialty products that we offer. We offer a large series of DC power supplies, mostly 24 volt, but we do offer some 12 volt DC. AC power supplies, we offer a huge series of mostly 12 volt for landscape, or 24 volt also for some of the legacy products. We offer a large series of LED solutions, LED drivers as well. We offer power supplies in every different dimming protocol, such as phase 0 to 10 volt, Dolly 2, which is the new protocol for Dolly, DMX, and Lutron power supplies. Some of the specialty power supplies are pool and spa rated. These are UL rated power supplies. We also offer direct burial. I'd like to take a moment to show you some of the direct burial solutions. There are many specifiers out there that rightfully so have been scared to use direct burial power supplies, as the ones in all the others may leak. But I will say that this system you're looking at right now is an IP68 rated direct burial solution. So it is a two-part system that offers the enclosure that we can see over here on the right. Oh, there it is right there. So that is the enclosure, and then we can put lots of different Q-sets or cassettes inside them. There we go. And there are the cassettes, and they could be different dimming protocols, DMX, warm dim, etc., whatever the protocol you need for your project. Here's a great testimonial. So Ray Berry from Yankee Electric Supply in Fairfield, Connecticut said, because of Hurricane Sandy, we were recently on site to service the exterior lighting at a waterside residence. I opened the Q vaults and they were bone dry after being under 18 inches of salt water for 24 hours. Great product. So this truly is something that is very different in the marketplace, and we believe we offer a best-in-class direct burial solution. Moving on to the LED luminaires, all of them start with the light engines. We offer 4 different static white series: an architectural, high efficacy, a standard, and a low-cost solution. We can provide a very high-quality light solution with many different budgets. We also offer a dynamic white LED that is 3-wire. And that could be dimmed either a tunable system that is 2 0 to 10s or a single 0 to 10 for a warm dim application. We also offer a specialty warm dim LED tape. And so this LED tape is dimmed through phase dimming, and it is a 2-wire solution. So this warm dim is the intelligence is on the LED board and not in the power supply solution. We also offer static color. We offer a turtle-friendly amber that has been rated Florida Wildlife Commission's turtle-friendly seal of approval. We also offer color changing, RGB and RGBW. We focus QTran on the quality of the light. One of the most important things for us is the quality, and we are constantly trying to offer best-in-class solutions. So we offer, most of our LEDs are 1-step, 1-bin. We also really pride ourselves on the photometric information. So we can see here an example of one of the LED tapes, and we will give you all of this information available on our website. We have IES files, CAD files, and Revit files for all of the fixtures. We design our LED boards to operate with our power supplies. We think of all of these as a system. So we want very smooth dimming curves. We want flicker-free environments. And so we offer different dimming sort of low levels. Our magnetic power supplies dim all the way to black with 0 flicker. We have electronic low voltage and 0 to 10 power supplies that dim down to 0.1%. Our Dolly and DMX power supplies dim down to 0.4%. And one of the things that make our LEDs a little different is every one of our different series, all the cut points are the same, all the chip spacings are the same, and we drive our LEDs differently through the resistors. Many of our competitors offer different solutions. So again, we focus on quality, not only of the light, but also quality of the dimming. So as little flicker as possible. We also have a large selection of rigid solutions. So these are aluminum channels that we can put many of the LED tapes in. This is just a sampling of the offering and not all of the solutions available, but wanted to show you that we do offer many different shapes and sizes and different solutions for each project. Here's a good application photo of one of the projects that was completed in, I believe, Indiana. This is showing our wet rated LED tape and aluminum channels, both underneath the stairs and highlighting the large fire pit here in the middle. We also offer many optical solutions. So we offer a couple different series that offer both narrow optical solutions, such as a grazing optic, all the way up to a large batwing application for an uplight solution. We are happy to offer many of those solutions. Kindly let us know. The next category, besides rigid fixtures, are our flexible luminaires. We manufacture a flexible fixture that is a little different than many in the marketplace. Our LED flexible fixtures are made out of polyurethane, which is a highly transmissible material. So we can offer a fixture that delivers up to 600 lumens per foot, or approximately 1,800 lumens per meter. So our fixtures are about 3 times brighter than most of the others in the marketplace. Secondly, we can offer fixtures with this seamless connection. So we have done projects that are hundreds of meters long that the viewer sees just a single line, like a pencil line of light on the outside of a building, for example. In this example here, you can see it's actually overlapping a few fixtures, and this is the aesthetic that they've done on purpose. We do about half of our projects are indoors, but we also offer outdoor rated flexible fixtures. The ones on the left are installed in a handrail at a ferry terminal in San Francisco. And on the inside here, we can see this is a office space that has some of the flexible fixtures in the doorways. Here is another example of our flexible fixtures in an application. So this is a large food hall in Atlanta, Georgia. And we can see the luminaires up above the wood ceiling, sort of outlining a very cool shape. These fixtures create that beautiful, never-ending sort of line of light that many of our specifiers are looking for. These fixtures are UV stable to be outside. We have many of them across hot climates as well, such as Florida, California, Texas. Also in very cold climates, such as Minnesota and Alaska. So these products are designed to be inside and outside and give you the versatility to create very long, seamless looking runs. We've recently launched a new series of micro fixtures. So if our standard fixture is under 1 inch by 1 inch, our new miniature series is under 1/2 inch. So little examples of them here, a standard pencil showing some of the very small fixtures. Inside our micro series, we offer rigid fixtures and flexible fixtures. So similar to this picture here we just looked at, this is our standard series, and we could do this same project today in a micro version of this, about half the aperture or the width of the light. We also are developing and about to launch a new linear system for perimeters. So we're calling this Perry. And this system is designed for easy installations on large corridor projects in hospitality, medical, or other sort of large hallway projects. So an example here down below is a 10-foot wide corridor, which is about 3 meters by 3 meters. And this will illuminate the entire corridor from one side. The few things that make this new fixture unique is it is 2 inches by 2 inches, the diameter of the fixture itself. The power supply can be either on board, mounted on the side, or mounted on the top, or be remote if necessary. And this is designed to be easy to install as it comes in a couple of parts and pieces, but it is also something that works very well in a low plenum space. So if there is not a lot of room above the ceiling, this fixture can create this 3 meter by 3 meter corridor with a total of about 3.5 inches. So about this is about all the space you need for this fixture. We also offer quite a few other customizable fixtures, such as suspended fixtures. We have a system of an up-down fixture as well that can be customized, all of colors, all of the shapes. So we can create X shapes or T shapes or a rectangle shape. And you can select sort of what the downlight will be, what the uplight will be, the optics on this. Is it single circuit, 2 circuit, etc. So QTran offers a large variety of linear solutions. I have only shown you a portion of them today, but if there are any linear solutions that you're looking for on your projects, please reach out to the Polaris team, and we can also connect all together to talk about the best way to make your project look amazing. Thank you very much for your time today, and happy to answer any questions if that's how the format works, or reach out to the Polaris team.
So thank you very much for your time today. QTran is really outstanding. Here's a profile that was sent like this to us to our office. This is probably about 1 meter long, a little not more than that, say 1.5 meters. And it comes just like this. The profile comes already with a diffuser installed. You can see the LED tape inside it. It's already terminated and ready for installation. It comes with these anchors that you're able to screw. So it's a really well put together fixture. We've had other brands of linear LED lights before on the tape format and on the channel format as well. And this is something totally different. So make sure to check out QTran. They participate in education. You guys exhibited this year at Light Fair or no?
We did. Yep, we exhibited at Light Fair this year. Education. And we also we believe that samples are important in the marketplace. So if anyone here watching the call would like to see some of these products, we were happy to provide samples. I also think mock-ups are extremely important. So as we're working on a project, we're happy to provide free of charge mock-ups as well.
Yes, that's very important. We've had Tyler come and visit us in Mexico and in Chile and in Guatemala, and in all 3 places we have spent a significant amount of time visiting specifiers, and samples were really of no objection by QTran. So we greatly appreciate that. It's an excellent product, an excellent brand. And any questions you have, you can ask us, and we'll direct it to the right party. It's also a pleasure working with Tyler. Tyler is really fun to hang out with. So we look forward to every chance we get to see you.
Thank you very
Tyler,
much.
We're going to be moving our office. You've been to this office, but we're going to move this office probably in October, and we're looking at a December event. So as soon as we have the dates, I'll let you know so that you can plan a trip over.
Please do. I would love to be there.
Okay. Thanks for your time today. We're going
Thank
to
you.
sign off so that we can sign back on for the next meeting in 5 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay.